What's up, Mecha fans? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today this will be my last review for my Gundam and other Mecha model kits showcase. And now we'll start on my Gunpla tower here. So I have here Bandai version or Bandai release of Gundam Mark II. So this is an old Mastergrade model here, and I have another Bandai Mastergrade model here, the Infinite Justice. So this is Gundam Infinite Justice from the Mobile Suit Gundam Seed. I like the pink color of this kit because it's unusual for me to have it pink, or it's rare that I find the pink colored model kit nowadays that looks so nice like the Infinite Justice. And speaking of pink, of course I also have black model kit here, the Strike Noir from Gundam Seed Stargazer. So this is a good kit here to pair with my Dark Hound, H2 Dark Hound. And another black colored kit here, I have the Unicorn Banshee from the Gundam Unicorn series. And I have here the Sword Impulse Gundam from the Gundam Seed series. And now you can see my cabinet here. I have the Delta Plus, the infamous Delta Plus. Infamous because they say this is a hand grenade, one of the hand grenades, or kit that blasts off when you do transformation sequence. Anyway, I just like the gray color of this kit, and I want this to pair with my Unicorn Gundam OVA. And of course I have the protagonist suit by Kira Yamato, the Gundam Ailstrike Mastergrade remastered. And okay, I'll start here first in my front here. So just to break the Gundam list there, I have here the Kotobukiya Liger Zero. So this is the Liger Zero Kotobukiya. Also I have here the Metal Gear Rex black version. This is the Metal Gear game, computer game. So I have the Kitafit, and I already reviewed this too. So we are joining the team. So I have here the Nausicaa and the Cosmo Zero. And of course, the full mechanics from the Bitch of Mercury, the Gundam Mercury. Yep, from the Bitch of Mercury. And I have here the R3, or the Real Robot Revolution from Bandai, the new laser. I have the new laser here. Also, I have 100 scale only. This is not master grade, but I like the Cherry Beam Gundam. That's why I bought this. This is not a master grade. It's like a big high grade only, but I like this kit to be paired with my Dynamis. It's a sniper mobile suit from the Stratos Brothers. And another green mecha here from Knights and Magic, the Chendorimbo. I don't know how to pronounce it. Zendorg or Zendorimbo, but in the anime it's like Chendorimbo. So this is issued by Moderoid. Another one from Moderoid. I have the Giant Robo here. So this is a big bulky robot here, Giant Robo. And I have here From Kotobukiya, the Border Break Kisei Kushiki. So I have here Kisei Kushiki model kit. And this Big X bomber from Moderoid line also. Okay. And of course I have this classic Gundam Air Master Burst high grade. So this is issued 1996. So I'm still a Lego collector that time in the year 1996. I'm fond of Legos that time. I got hooked to Gunpla collecting when I was in grade 3. That was 1998. And my first Gundam is the Gundam Spiegel no grade 1 and 1/44 scale. So then we're going back. I have here the Mastergrade EZ8 Gundam. I have here also the Panzer World Galleon, which is released by Academy, and I think Academy and Wave. If I'm not mistaken, this is Wave and Academy. Yes, Academy is a model kit company from South Korea. So I had the opportunity to buy this Panzer World. I have here this I don't know if this anime, but it's Chinese product here, the Cat Iron Roars. Very cute. They have here the Valimar Ashen Knight from the Moderoid. So this is issued by Moderoid, and it's a very nice knight model kit. They have here the Power Dolls from Plum. So these Power Dolls, and they have the Hexagear V4 from Kotobukiya. Another one from Kotobukiya is this EOTech 1/100 scale Altizen. So I have this Altizen here, one of the hard to find kit also nowadays. And I bought this from Mandarake, Japan. And going back to the Gundams, I have here the GPO-3S, or the Gundam Stamen, and this is Master Grade release. And I have from the Moderoid the Rune God Ray Earth combined Rune God Ray Earth. I have here a P Bandai of this Astray Outframe B. And I have a High New Verka model here. This is a High New Verka. I have here Hyper Agent Greedman from Tron model kit. And I have the Verka model of Gundam Double Zeta. And last but not least, I have the Scope Dog Bottoms from Bandai. This is a big version of that Bottoms, and it came in the scale of 1/20 model kit. Also, I have here 2 mystery boxes from my girlfriend. So this is her gift to me for Christmas. But I did not open this yet because I want to open this in front of her. So I don't know what kits it. What kits are this? I'm just pretending that I don't know what kits are this. But anyway, this is a nice kit. A really nice kit. I'll not open this now. I'll wait for it. So that's it. Thank you for joining me here in my showcase, for my Gundam showcase here, and see you next time in my reviews, and I hope you'll enjoy my channel and enjoy my Gunpla unboxings and reviews, and see you next time. Enjoy your hobbies, enjoy building, enjoy life, and have a good day. This is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, take care, and rest in peace, Tommy Oliver.